Using hashtags on LinkedIn can really help you get your content in front of the people that matter, the audience that you're looking to reach. And I'll show you how it works in this video. Here we go. So looking through the news feed, you can see followed hashtags here. So if I click discover more, you'll see a whole heap of different key current hashtags. So you can see really popular ones: COVID-19, marketing, leadership, and then suggested ones that are tailored to the way you use social media, the way you're currently using the platform. So lots of things here about social media marketing, things around community, charities, etc. So LinkedIn will basically look at the things you have on your profile and tailor them accordingly. Now, any particular topic you want to then go and look at, let's pick out digital media. If I go follow, I've now got that listed as one of the topics that I follow. And if I click on it, you can look at managing your hashtags. You can discover new ones. So if I say manage your hashtags, these are the 6 that I've now created. So you can create as many as you like. Obviously, the more specific the hashtag can be, particularly if it's around a networking event where lots of people take part at the same time, you can actually follow those hashtags just to try and meet up with key people on the day and also join in the key conversations going on around topics, so you can influence what's going on in the discussion. So I'll give you an example of that. So here, for example, is a local Peterborough, Lincolnshire, Cambridgeshire networking group using hashtag SOFA networking. So quite a distinct one. You can see not only the main people posting there, but also anyone who attended. And here, for example, is somebody asking the questions. Who else is going to be there? Who else should I look out for? Asking for comments. And of course, people are more than happy to provide answers and give extra guidance. So it's a great way to reach out to people you know are going to be there, or you know were there in an event, and you can stay in touch with them afterwards. So you've got events there with various hashtags you can follow for those particular events. You can search generally for hashtag terms. And if you look through these notifications you may get, you get a chance to show your expertise on particular topics. So hashtag customer experience, hashtag small business. You respond on behalf of that company to be able to put your expert view in front of other potential clients and contacts. So that's it from me. That's hashtags in 2020 on LinkedIn. I've been Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer.